Hi there, it's Carolyn Chebaro here, and welcome to Reinvention and the Simple Life, where my goal is to inspire you, to motivate you, to get you to look at things a wee bit differently, all on your journey to creating your own simple life. I have been asked about how to start creating your own minimalist, less is more wardrobe. So I've put something together. It's the easy version, and I'm hoping that you'll consider this path, this less is more minimalism wardrobe. And the whole thing is to make it very, very easy. So here's a few things that you're not going to do. You're not going to throw anything away, nothing. You're not going to tidy up anything in your drawers or in your closet. Do not do anything. Just leave everything the way it is. Stress less. That's a real point, and I can't stress that enough. And now the whole idea, as I said, is to make this easy, and we're going to do this over 4 weeks. So what I would suggest doing is take note in your diary when you start and then count out 4 weeks. And there is a reason for this. Just work with me. Now there's one thing that you'll need to get, and either that's those plastic boxes, whether you have those around, go out and buy them, or even cardboard boxes. You'll need those, and line those up in your room. And then just go about your month and take and wear the items that you would normally wear. And when you put them back, for example, into your closet, put them the wrong way around in the hanger. And I will put an image here so that you'll see what I mean. And anything that you've worn from the drawers, from your chest of drawers, and including your shoes, well, after you've cleaned those, put them very nice and neat and tidy back in those containers, either the plastic containers or the boxes. So you can see exactly at the end of the month what you've worn. And then just go about your month. Now, during this month, there are a couple of things that you'll need to do, and it's really simple. You need to make note somewhere in your diary on a slip of paper on the item itself. How does that piece of clothing make you feel? Does it make you feel confident? Does it make you feel glum? Does it make you feel conscientious about wearing that item? This is really, really important. How you feel wearing that pair of trousers or using those pair of shoes, that coat, how you feel. And then also take note on if you wear something more than once. At the end of the month, you will have a start of your minimalist less is more wardrobe, because you will see what you've worn, and you will also see how you feel, because certainly you don't want to wear something that doesn't make you feel nice, make you feel confident, make you feel at ease, because that's really, really important. Also, take note of the colors that you are wearing during that month, the patterns, the styles. That's important because it's all narrowing it down to what makes you feel good. And that's what it's all about, because it's all about how you present yourself. And at the end of that month, you've got yourself your less is more minimalist wardrobe. And then, here's the thing, take everything else and box it up, give it away, donate to a charity, pay it forward. Remember, the less is more, my minimalism is all about making life less stressful and easy. And this is one way to start. Start with your wardrobe, what you wear, and then progress. And as you follow me on this channel, that's exactly what we are going to do. Well, that is it for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you've been inspired to create your own minimalist less is more wardrobe, well, let me know below. Subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed, I appreciate it a lot. Thank you very, very much. And until my next video. I wish everyone a good day. Toodles.